the purchase of sodium hypochlorite is only for 1 crore. But I say, my figures also I have obtained. It says, I will not mention the names of the firms, but it says work order number and date nil. And then it says bill number, then it says item supplied, sanitation turnkey work, including sodium hypochlorite, transportation and protection gears. This is just for 2 months, the whole amount came to 8 crores 30 lakhs. So second point is relating to the appointment. I appreciate that the government is doing its best, and I have already appreciated whatever work that the government has been doing to contain the pandemic. So my only issue is, please appoint people, no problem. But the process of your appointment, as Honorable Chief Minister said, we are maintaining the due process. I appreciate it. But how 2 people from outside the state have found their place in the office of the NHM? I'm not trying to get personal at anybody. But these 2 persons have been brought by the MD NHM, and they are from outside the state. If they have cleared the tests in due process of recruitment, I have no objection. But if they have just come from the back door, then they have to be removed immediately. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Sir, so first of all, I would like to once again clarify that the honorable member himself has now admitted that the 8 crores that he mentioned was for sanitizing various affected buildings, protective gear, transport, including sodium hydrochloride. The reason I had to clarify this is because he was then dividing the 8 crores divided by 100 rupees per litre, so there should be, I don't know how many lakh litres should be there. So that was a wrong calculation. So it should be divided by the 1 crore. So therefore, he was trying to, magnify the whole thing by dividing only 8 crores. So out of the 8 crores, only 1 crore was spent on hypochlorite, and you need to make the calculations accordingly. That's the only thing. That we wanted to clarify. Let me just reply. Let me just reply.
For transportation, sir.
Yeah.
7 crores.
Honorable member, please let the Chief Minister reply. Please.
So no, that's what. So, and it's a transport and also sanitizing of various buildings. Sir, if you recall during that time, everybody wanted the road to be sanitized. Everybody wanted their house to be sanitized. We had to sanitize Bethany Hospital 100 times. Secretariat had to be sanitized. I mean, and at point in time, we couldn't find people to do that job also. As I said, people were not ready. So it was a very, very complicated situation we were facing. So therefore, this 8 crores includes the sanitization of the buildings and the transportation and the protective gears and the sodium hydrochloride. So I'm just saying that he should not just single out the sodium hydrochloride. Number 2, regarding the appointments that were made, sir, the processes are being followed at all levels. And including, I think, the people who, obviously, sir, for the state government, we are ensuring we have employed maybe 500, 600 people have been recruited now. And we're very happy that our own boys and girls are getting job. And that's part of the entire economic process also that we'd like to follow, that we're realizing that people can be recruited in this fight against COVID and our people will get a job. So it has been the very clear objective of the government to do that. And as for the information that has been provided to me, that the individuals, because I don't know the individuals he's mentioning about, but there are a lot of service providers who have been given certain parts to do. Like, for example, we have some people who are helping us with the IT part, some people helping us with certain other technical part. So these individuals who have come from outside are people who have been brought in by these in the service providers, and that is not in our control. We have given and outsourced the work to the service providers, and they can get local people or they can get people from outside. That's not the government's recruitment. But from the recruitment that we have done, number 1, we have followed the process, and number 2, we have ensured that our local people get the work.